Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix this type of error. Whom would you like to send critical alerts, or home center would you like to send critical alerts? If you are facing these errors, would you like to send critical alerts, then I'll show you how can you get rid of these errors. Okay guys, so let me tell you that you have to press and quickly release the volume up button, and just simply press and quickly release the volume down button, and just simply you have to quickly tap on the side button. You have to hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Okay guys, when Apple logo appears, it means your phone has been restarted. When you have restarted your phone, after that you can easily fix these errors. Okay guys, so that is guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.